Are you using a computer with a standard mechanical hard drive? Are you finding your computer too slow, lagging, or unresponsive? Well, the thing is, if so, the standard hard drive on your laptop is just not efficient enough to run your PC smoothly. It's an outdated hardware technology that can't keep up with modern standards. Therefore, we at ConsumerTech have a solution. We basically replace the hard drive on your computer and upgrade it to a more efficient and powerful solid-state drive or SSD. This is the latest hardware and can fix all your low-performance issues. An SSD is an electronic chip that stores your data, making your computer more responsive. So what are you waiting for? Contact us now to have your hard drive checked or upgraded to the latest, fastest SSD. In case you're worrying about your data, we transfer that safely too. For more info, visit our website at www.consumertech.co.uk. Or call, text, or WhatsApp at 07897 660 278.